Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add links to Instagram bio on PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and you want to add any link to your Instagram bio, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser, and in your browser just open Instagram. So once you have opened Instagram, just click on this profile option to go to your profile page. Just click on profile, and here you just have to click on edit profile. Now on this page, you will see the option of bio. So just click on this bio option. So you can add a link to your bio. You're unable to add any website. You can see that editing your links is only available on your mobile. Visit the Instagram app and edit your profile to change the website in your bio. So if you want to add a clickable link to your bio, so you're unable to do that from your PC. But you can also add a link in your bio. So anyone who want to open that link, they just have to copy that, and after that, they'll be able to open that link. Once I've pasted your link here, just click on this submit option, and your link will be saved to your profile. Just go to your profile and just reload the page, and you can see that you have successfully added a link to your bio. So if you want to open this, you just have to select this link and then copy this. Once I've copied, just open it in a new tab and you'll be able to open a link from your bio. So in this way, you can easily add a link to your Instagram bio on your PC or laptop. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.